Hi folks, I wanted to real quickly show you how to save a Word document as a PDF so you can submit it to Canvas. So let's say for whatever reason you couldn't get the worksheet to open properly. And so you watch the video or whatever and you can't seem to type into your PDF file. If you'll just open a Word document and go ahead and put your name on it and give it a title. Let's see, Amoeba Sisters video, cells, and then name. And if you want to put the date, when you submit it, we'll know the date. And so, answer to question number 1 is cell wall, and so forth. So, you answer your questions and you save this. So, we go to File and we go to Save As, right here, Save As. Now, I can do a couple of different things with Save As. I can save it like normal, like you normally click save. That's fine. For me, I like to save things to my desktop, but then your desktop gets kind of crowded, and if my computer crashes, I'm going to lose it. So instead, go over to OneDrive, and if you can't find OneDrive, click Browse. If you click Browse, it'll take you here where you can see all of your files and see everything on your computer. And over here in the left-hand menu, you see OneDrive. So you click OneDrive. All of you have OneDrive storage. You see I have a bunch of folders, and this is your cloud storage for those of you that use it. You can create a folder for this class. That's not a bad idea. And then you'll just type in what you want to name the file. So I'm going to name it the same I titled it. So Amoeba Sisters Video Cells. Now you can't use a colon, but you can use a dash. So that's this worksheet. Maybe you put worksheet with answers. There we go. And I'm going to click save. That's in the cloud. But, well, let's wait for this menu to pop up. So you may have to sign in. I shouldn't, but so if you have to sign in, it's just your Canvas sign-in information, your username and your password. That should be all that you need there. So you save that. And if you'll notice down here, it's saving it as a Word document. But for Canvas, I've asked that you submit everything as a PDF. So how do you change it to a PDF? You go to File, Save As again, or Save a Copy. I'm going to go back to OneDrive again. And up here where it says Word document, I'm going to drop that down. I'm going to go down to PDF. So now it'll save it as a PDF. Save. Okay, so let's say I finished and now I've got to go into Canvas. Okay, so this is what you would see. You go to Modules, at your Zoom meeting. Let's say it's time to do the characteristics of life worksheet and submit assignment. So when you click on submit, you choose the file. Well, in order to choose the file, you have to choose where it's located. So instead of my desktop, which is what it usually comes up as, or it might come up in your documents, OneDrive. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. You got to pay attention to this. I have two different versions. If you see the little blue icon, that's the Word document version. I want you to submit the little red icon, which is the PDF version. So if you don't see the colors, you can come over here to under Type, and it says Microsoft Word document or Adobe Acrobat document. That's the one you want to submit. So click on that, click Open, and then you should see it here, and make sure it says PDF here on the end. And then go Submit Assignment. And now you have submitted over here, PDF. You've done your job, and it'll make it a lot easier for me to grade and do corrections and that kind of thing.